Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to get sum of squares of any list. Okay, sum of squares of the numbers in a list. Okay, so what I have is how to get sum of squares of any numbers. Okay, that one is what we can do is uh, using a manual way. What you can do is I just multiply. I have this list of numbers and I want the sum of squares. I make this one into this, enter. Similarly I can get it up to, for each cell I will multiply the numbers and by itself, and then finally I can add them. Okay, some okay, this way you can do it manually, but now what we have is that we have the function called SUMSQ, sum squares. Okay, using the function we can very easily just pass the list of numbers and get the sum of squares of each individual element in the list, and finally we can add that to squares. Okay, how can we do that? You can use SUMSQ function returns the sum of the squares of the arguments. Okay, the arguments can be numbers, arrays, names, reference of cells that contain numbers. So you can put individually, you can put the numbers, as well as you can send the list. Okay, in our example I am sending a list from all these numbers, about 14 numbers from 49 to 83. Okay, just close the brackets, then it will give you the sum. Okay, you can see the same sum of the squares. It will give you the sum of the squares, which is nothing but what we done just now. Okay, and you can also send individual numbers like okay, you can individually you can send sum of squares of 2, which is nothing but squares of 2, which is 4. Okay, if you send only one number, you will get the square of the number. Okay, now just you can also refer this cell which contains the value. Okay, 4. Okay, so similarly for this list, what we will check, what is the sum of squares. Because 1 plus 4 plus 9, 10, 14. Okay, so each element square is added together. Okay, similarly for 1 to 6, 1 to 6. Okay, 21 cannot be 21. Okay, 91. Okay, now we will verify the formula here. Sum of squares of number, very well known formula of n numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Okay, now the n is 6 here, so we will verify up to first n positive numbers, from 1 to 6. Okay, so how to verify the formula whether it's working fine. Okay, we will put 6 into 6 plus 1, 7 into 2n plus 1, 6. 2n is 12 plus 1, 13 whole divided by 6, 91. Okay, you can see here. So this is for fun part of it. and we have sum square function is very useful when you find variance, standard deviation, or any mathematical formula of a list or a array. You can simply pass the list inside the sum SQ, and it will bring a sum of the squares. Hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.